Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Lisa Hale and I'm the president and founder of Focus Leadership Consulting. I wanted to take a moment just to introduce myself and introduce a little bit about what it is exactly that we do. Focus Leadership Consulting is a company that's dedicated to its clients, dedicated to results, clarity, focus, and helping our clients really cut through the fog of the daily business challenges in order to achieve their most important goals quickly. We do that by facilitating strategic planning sessions. We do it with facilitating team dynamic improvement, and we do it through individual corporate client consulting and corporate executive coaching. I have also worked over 3,500 hours over the last couple of decades with individual clients as well to work on life purpose, clarification, and getting on track. If you or anyone in your organization is really looking to bring out the excellence within, then fill out the contact form here and let's have a chat and we'll see if we're a good fit.